Look at a video of the two blue Maine Coons. Here is one. Which one are you when you're just being cute? Yeah. Which one are you? Yep, you are the Polly. Yes, hello. And there your paws are. And what to say to you? There he is. There's Mama. And here is his sister. Let's check you out. Oh, okay. Well, hello there. How are you? Oh, how are you? You don't have what to say, do you? Okay. Up, and here's the brother again. Come here, buddy. Let's see you again. Oh, there you are. You still have nothing to say. Look at those feet. Paws. Oh. All right, I'll put you down.